How to connect Jira with Power BI. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Jira with Power BI. Let's dive right in. First, make sure you're signed into your Jira account. On the top right corner, click Settings, look for the Apps section and click on it. From the drop-down menu, select Explore Apps. This will take you to the Jira Marketplace, where you will find the connector we need. In the search bar, type Power BI Connector for Jira. You will see a list of integration apps for BI. The one we're going with is the Power BI Connector for Jira by Tempo Software. It's the bestseller, highly rated, and works great. Click on the app to view its full details. Over on the right-hand side, you will see the pricing. Good news, there's a free trial, so click on it. Click Try It Free. Once it loads, click on Review. Then click on Start Free Trial. Jira will now begin installing the app. Just give it a few seconds to complete. Once the app is installed, the final step is to sign in with your Power BI account. This allows you to pull Jira data directly into Power BI, so you can start creating visual reports and dashboards based on your Jira issues, projects, sprints, and more. And that's it. You have successfully connected your Jira to Power BI. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.